Hello everyone, I am Karan Rajpara, currently pursuing BTech in Information and Communication Technology Department at Marwadi University, and I am in second semester. So my project is Grey Code, and for that I am using concept of object-oriented programming in Java. For this project, I am guided by Professor C.D. Parmar sir, who is head of department of our ICT department, and also guided by Professor Krunal Vasani sir. So let's start our project. So for my project, I am using NetBeans IDE and I have made different pages as shown here in the NetBeans IDE. So let's run our project. Okay, it is building here. Okay, so this is the home page of my project where different tabs are given. So let's start with the first, that is the go to the concept page. So let's click on that. Here, some of the basic information of Grey Code and its applications are given. You can refer it. Then go to the next page. Here, some of the binary to gray examples are given. For example, for 1-bit, 2-bit, 3-bit, and 4-bit binary to gray examples are given. So let's go to the next page. So this is the some of the reference for from the internet. You can find it, and one sold example is also given. You can refer it. So back to the home page. Okay. So let's try with the first, that is binary to gray conversion. So let's click on that. Okay, so it is showing that we have to enter here binary number. Like for example, I am entering any binary number, and first we'll extract that binary data, and its binary data is extracted here. As you can see, is our number 101110. 101110 is extracted here, and additional 20 to the MSB is added automatically. So let's click on next button. Now we will understand gray code conversion. First element will be as it is. So 0 is as it is. As you know that in gray code MSB will be as it is. So 0 will be go here, 0. Then again click on next button. G6 is equals to B7 XOR B6. So 0 XOR 0, answer is 0. So 0 will be printed here. Again click on next button. Uh, like that, you can understand step by step binary to gray conversion process. After having all answers, when you click last time in next button, your answer will be printed at this text field. Okay, so let's reset it and try with another number. So number is extracted here. If you don't want to go for step by step process, and you need only answers, then you can click on this final answer. Then your answer will be printed here at one click only. Here I have made some conditions like this is the basically 8-bit binary to gray conversion. So you cannot enter more than 8-bit. Like for example, I'm entering more than 8-bit number. Then it says you have entered invalid number. Enter only 8 digits. And also there are some conditions like a binary number have only zeros and ones. So if you enter any number which is not 0 or 1, then again it's give error. Like I am entering by mistake 3, then it says you have entered invalid number, enter only 0 and 1. So this is the binary to gray conversion. So let's go to the home page again, and let's understand second, that is the decimal to gray conversion. Okay, so here we have to give decimal number. For example, I am entering 157. Then click on next button. First, we will find its binary. So its binary is generated and printed, and its binary is extracted here. So let's click on next button. Here also you can go with the step-by-step process, or if you want just answer, then you can click on final answer. Then your final answer will be printed at once. Okay, so let's reset it. Here also I have made some conditions like by decimal number 255 have the perfect binary of 8 bit which have all 8 ones. So you cannot enter more than 255 decimal number because its binary is more than 8 bit. Like I am entering 289. So its binary will be having more than 8 bit. So again it shows error like please enter number which is less than 255. So all sufficient conditions is given here. So this is the decimal to gray conversion. Let's back to the home page and understand third, which is the octal to gray conversion. So we have to enter here octal number, like I'm entering 278, 278 octal number. Then it says now we will find its binary. Its binary is generated and its binary data is also extracted here. Here also you can go with the step-by-step process, or if you want just final answer, then you can click here in the final answer, then your final answer will be generated. So it is the octal to gray conversion. Here also some of the conditions you have to follow, like you cannot enter more than 377 octal number, because if I enter 400, then it says please enter number less than 377, because 377 have the octal number have the perfect 8-bit binary which have all ones, so you cannot enter more than 377 octal number. So this is the octal to gray conversion. Let's understand the last, which is the hex to gray conversion. You have to enter here hex number. For example, I am entering B3. Then it says now we'll find its binary. So its binary is generated and we'll extract that binary data. Its binary data is extracted here. Here also you go with the step-by-step process for understanding this conversion, or you can simply click on final answer. So your final answer will be generated at once. So it is the hex to gray conversion. So this is my project, gray code conversion. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. Hope you like it. Thank you very much.